Welcome to a city that long ago did not exist. This is Dubai. Not long ago, this was nothing but desert. No skyline, no towers, no reason for the world to stop here. This wasn't a miracle. It was a blueprint. Dubai didn't become what it is by accident. A city built on intent, not time. It grew fast because speed was part of the strategy. It wasn't trying to be comfortable. It was trying to be essential. A city like no other. Today, it stands as a global crossroads where money moves, cultures meet, and ambition sets the pace.